Difference between body spray and air freshener is water. They basically have the same ingredients, but we have more water, 80% water in air freshener compared to the body spray, which carries more of the perfume and the ethanol. So we'll be needing ethanol, your major fragrance. I use a flowery smell, and then I use lemon as the second fragrance because it's always good to use lemon in your air fresheners. It helps to remove foul smell and odor from the room. Then I use water, the container I'm going to use to mix, and then propylene glycol. What I'm going to do first is to measure 1/4 of the major perfume inside my container. So the cup is a 1/8. I'm going to measure 2 of it to make it a quarter. Like I said, I added a lemon perfume to it, and that's just 1/8. Now I'm adding ethanol. Now I'll go in with my propylene glycol. Then at this point you want to shake it and mix it and mix it and mix it very well, and just so that the alcohol can disperse the oil. So you have to shake it very well. So the camera is not really showing it well. So as you can see, majorly that's just 20% of the whole bottle. So I'm just going to fill it up with water to make 80% of water, and then 100% of the whole quantity in general. And then water doesn't mix with oil, so you have to shake it rigorously and shake it very well so it can blend in. And there you have it. That's basically all you need to make your air freshener. It's easy to make, it's easy to sell. The only thing is know how to choose your fragrance, know how to choose whatever you are using to give it a more lasting smell. Thanks for watching. Bye. And that's all. That's basically all you need to make your home smell nice. Thanks for watching. Bye.